Waking up early? Easier than you think. Honestly, waking up early, right after working in a mine, might be the second hardest thing in the world. At least, that's how it felt to me before I figured this out. Because today, I'm gonna show you how to make it feel like second nature. Stick with me till the end. When we think of waking up early, the first thing that comes to mind is set an alarm. But let's be honest, that almost never works. Because waking someone up at 5 a.m., it's not that simple. But don't worry, there's a better way. There are alarm apps, like Alarmy, that won't stop ringing unless you complete a challenge. Solve a math problem, type a random sentence, take a picture of your bathroom mirror, whatever it takes. Because waking up is a fight, and you need a strong reason to win it. Now, people say, just sleep early. Go to bed by 9 if you want to wake up at 5. But let's be real. If you could sleep at 9, you'd already be doing it. That advice. It's like telling someone, just fly if you don't want to walk. So let's try something that actually works. Whatever time you sleep, just make sure the last hour before bed is screen-free. No phone, no TV, no glowing rectangles. Because blue light stresses your brain. It makes you tired in the wrong way. And the next morning, you'll feel like you got hit by a truck. Instead, listen to soft music, read a few pages of a book, let your body slow down. Now here's something most people ignore. Your reason to wake up. Your why. It's what makes you jump out of bed when the alarm rings. Let me give you an example. If your best friend says, let's go hiking at 5 a.m., you'll probably be ready by 4:30. Why? Because you had a reason. A good reason will pull you out of bed no matter what. So find yours. Could be journaling, quiet time, working on a side hustle, whatever it is, make sure it means something to you. Let's break it down. Step 1, end your night right. No screens an hour before bed. Calm your mind. Let sleep come naturally. Step 2, don't trust your alarm. Use a challenge alarm. Like Alarmy, put your phone far from bed. Make your brain move. Step 3, decide the night before. Clothes, tasks, plans. When you wake up, your brain shouldn't think, it should act. Step 4, start small. Don't say wake up at 5 and go run. Say wake up 5 minutes earlier. Drink water. Small wins equals big momentum. Step 5, stay consistent. Overslept? Fine. But don't quit. Rhythm matters more than perfection. Just do it once. Wake up early one time, and your brain realizes you are in control, not the bed. Remember, big changes start with small steps. Waking up early? Easier than you think. You just have to decide today to start.